badass chainsaw that hoe. What is it? Cut that bitch all the way from the. Ooh! They already had way to do that bitch. Through that hole already. You got a badass chainsaw. God damn. Ooh, he about to cut it. Oh, big boy, get that over. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that bitch. We're gonna have to go push that bitch over. Ain't nobody get that bitch.